Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on AlmaLinux OS 9.7. It is same for all AlmaLinux 9 versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then select MySQL community downloads. Then select MySQL Community Server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.44. If you are unable to find the version, you can click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the version, RHEL 9, because I am on AlmaLinux OS 9.7. Okay, once you selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 902 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See here it is star file. Once download is completed, then we will enter this star file and we will install MySQL Server. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.44 tar file. We have to enter it tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install. Okay, now install MySQL Server by using this RPM packages. Ctrl sudo rpm ivh no deps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, then provide the password of this admin user. See, installation is completed. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. If you don't give D, it won't work. So okay, we have to give D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL Server is started. Okay, Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, you must have the password of the MySQL account. But we don't have MySQL user account password. Either it may be user or root account. But we can get the MySQL user temporary root password by going to sudo more/var log mysqld.log grep password. See, this is the temporary password for the MySQL user root. Okay, now set the permanent password for MySQL user root. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now copy this password. This is not same for you. Paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. I don't want to change, no. Remove anonymous users, yes, no, yes, yes, all done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL root account. Okay, now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u username root then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.44. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. Create. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user, Control L, create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -new. New username is David -p. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for table for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.44 on AlmaLinux OS 9. Exit sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped 5 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. Quit. Control. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect by using MySQL Workbench DBA. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench DBA on AlmaLinux OS. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. These files are not recorded anymore, so I'm going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This deleted all rpm packages from the current directory. Ls, we have one more file. Remove it. rm mysql. Press the tab to autofill enter file name. Hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on AlmaLinux OS 9.7. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.